In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuillBot not working in Google Chrome issue 2023. If QuillBot isn't appearing where you expect it to, or it seems inactive on certain pages, the most common cause is that Chrome hasn't allowed the extension to run on all sites. Let's walk through the exact fix together. First, open Google Chrome and head to google.com. This simply ensures you're in Chrome and ready to adjust the extension settings in the right place. Now look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the Extensions button. It looks like a small puzzle piece icon. That opens a quick menu showing all the extensions currently available in your browser, including QuillBot if it's installed. From that menu, click Manage Extensions. This takes you to Chrome's Extensions page, where you can view details and permissions for each add-on. You'll see cards for every installed extension, along with shortcuts to adjust how they behave. On this page, locate the QuillBot extension. You'll recognize it by its name and icon. Make sure you're looking right at the QuillBot card, because we're about to open its settings to change one key permission that controls where it can run. Click the Details button on the QuillBot card. This opens a dedicated settings screen for QuillBot, giving you access to options such as permissions and site access. We're going to focus on the site access control because that's what determines whether QuillBot can activate across different websites. Find the Site Access section and click the small arrow to expand the options. You'll see choices that let you limit where the extension is allowed to operate, or let it run consistently whenever it's needed. Select on all sites. This is the critical fix. By granting QuillBot access on all sites, you're allowing it to load wherever you're typing online, whether that's a document editor, an email client, or a learning platform. Many web pages use different domains or embedded editors, and restricting site access can prevent the extension from appearing or functioning properly. Setting it to on all sites ensures the extension can hook into text fields and provide its features consistently. That's it. Once this permission is set, Chrome applies the change immediately, and QuillBot should start working reliably across your browsing. If it was previously blocked by limited access, this adjustment resolves the most common cause of it not showing up. Thanks for following along, and I hope this gets QuillBot working smoothly in your Chrome setup.